Today we're gonna do unboxing of 8 Civivi knives. One of them are tiny. The newest models, 3 of them 2022. So let's start with the tiny one. I love Leah pocket knives. Let's see if this thing is any good. This thing is mid-range price. Ooh, look at that. So they're from like a $50 to $150, depends on the knife. But let's see. Look at that tiny Leah pocket knife. Doesn't have a clip, more like a keychain knife seems to be, but high quality. Sometimes I have a hard time. I'm pushing on this side. It's a frame lock and it will not open. You see, if you push it right here, it will not be able to open. So you gotta keep your fingers away from there. But yeah, tiny little knife, beautiful. Mini Elementum. That's the name of that knife. Okay, let's keep on going. I really don't see the point of these little stickers. They drive me nuts every time. I don't know why knife companies put little stickers on that. Most of the time the knife stores will open them up and display them. And it's still a new knife. So what brand is this? I mean the name of it? Knox. Ooh, Damascus. That's a nice Damascus steel right here. Okay, we need better light over here or something. There you go. Camera does not want to focus. That's it. All I have to do is just make a different light. That's a beautiful Damascus pattern. So yeah, this one usually Damascus are more expensive. Not super smooth, but beautiful flipper. Carbon fiber, I guess. Nice. Beautiful knife. Civivi knives, there you go. Okay, let's keep on going. What we got here? Hot Doors, there's the name of it. Okay, I already broke through some of the stickers. Ooh, is this wooden? Wooden and Damascus. Ooh, I like that. What's the name of that blade shape? I kind of like the other Damascus way better. There's a wood type handle, black handle, rubber Damascus blade, liner lock. Does not tell me what type of shape of a knife that is. And they go liner lock. You see it's inside of it. It's similar to frame lock, but wow, this one is so much smoother than the other one. Handle is so tiny. Really fun and easy to hold. I would use this every day. This is not super expensive knives. And look at that. They tight. We can even flick it with our like a spider flick, whatever. Let's keep on going. What we got here? Dogma. Where did I open the sticker? There you go. I do like this Civivi right here. Comes with a nice layer holders. Not that I'm ever gonna use them because it's like everyday carry stuff, nothing collectible. That one is alright. I know, kinda look like a little machete sword. Pretty smooth flipper. I know, does not make me happy. Just a simple knife. That one is okay. Okay, let's keep on going. What we got here? Button lock element. Let's do quick unboxing. First impressions. Ooh, carbon fiber, beautiful. And there is a button lock. So you just press it. Ooh, Damascus. Beautiful. Look like a kitchen knife. So regular blade. And there is your bottom lock. So you can, I guess, use the gravity for it to open, you see, and to close it. Obviously it's this way to open it. That's kind of nice. You just gotta know when to let go, because if you don't, it'll just do a little flip if you don't like let go on time. So you kind of have to let go in the mid-air and then it will lock in pretty good. This is actually pretty nice. Easy to catch. If you let go too soon, you see it will stop halfway too. So Very smooth. I really like that. Beautiful, both sides. There's like a camouflage look to it. Carbon fiber. That's a fancy knife, and a Damascus steel. Very nice. I see what's the hype about the button lock. Civivi, really good. Is that how you pronounce it? Russian is pretty phonetic language, so to me it's Civivi. But I don't know. Let's keep on going. Comes with a little. This is a button lock too. Let's see. Altus? I hope I pronounce it right. So, first of all, wow, that was a flip. Do you see that? Also Damascus steel. And I guess, yeah, bottom lock and both. The other one didn't have a flipper, did it? Nope. This one, kind of like you're supposed to, yeah, it's locked. You cannot pull it. You gotta press it, then you let it go. To close it. This one is a little bit different. You can actually open it and then you can release it and close it. Is it any assisted? Nope. But it is like pulls it in. You see this button? Resets. Yeah, that's nice. So you can open it with a button, but I kind of like opening it this way. Whoops. And it's quite smooth. Let's see. I can open it with this finger. That's so funny. So there's so many ways to open this little thing. I know why would you do that. It's a lot easier this way. But you can even open it this way, whatever. Fancy, huh? This is nice. And you can open it like that. I love the handle. I love that type of handle. What kind of handle is this material? Green micarta handle. I love that style handles. They're so comfortable. They're not slippery. They're lightweight. Beautiful. Kind of almost like it better than carbon fiber. But obviously carbon fiber is the fanciest. Much nicer. But still, different stuff. Brazen. Micarta handle, black SS liner. Alright. Cheated a little bit. Figured it out what it was. Okay, this one again, very nice handle. Damascus steel. Wow, beautiful Damascus. That one was the fanciest though. Like, my favorite part about Damascus steel is give me a pattern. Give me a beautiful pattern like that. You see? Geometrical. That's what I like. I'm sure everybody have their own liking to stuff. I mean, this one is nice too. Has pretty good pattern as well. If you really look at this. It's lines. Liner lock. Ooh, that was smooth. Obviously, I'm probably gonna be opening it with the flipper. Again, love that handle. Look how smooth that is. Wow. One more time. That is amazing. Really nice knife. I would use that every day. That is so nice. Wow. Okay, and the last one. This is Pintol. Is that what it's called? Yeah. Hate those stickers. Please stop putting stickers on. It doesn't mean that knife all of a sudden is not new anymore. It just open box. Another Damascus. Why is it so hard to open it? The flicker is supposed to be easy to flick it. Yeah, that's a nice Damascus. I definitely enjoy that one. You see how there's lots of circles and it's all goes this way. Yeah, this is quite nice. Not super smooth, and you got right here classic carbon fiber. And to flick it, you actually have to kind of flick your finger a little bit, so not the easiest thing to flick. It's nice. It's not the smoothest. I kind of don't like the flicker because it's kind of small, so I'll probably be opening it this way. more natural this way. So grab it and flick it this way. I should probably do more. This is my first time unboxing Civivi knife or CV knife, whatever they called it.